You need to hear this if you're a tennis fan who lives for five-set drama. Alcaraz and Sinner just gave us an instant classic. Here's how it went down. Carlos Alcaraz and Jannik Sinner walked onto court Philippe Chatrier and delivered a battle for the ages. Sinner started strong, firing off those signature laser backhands to take the early lead. But Alcaraz, he's built different. Down 2-1, he dialed up his intensity, chasing every ball, unleashing forehands that defied physics. Set 4, Alcaraz refused to blink. He broke Sinner's serve in a nail-biter, forcing a decider. And in the 5th, with the crowd roaring, Alcaraz's sheer willpower took over. Final point, he roars, arms raised as he completes the comeback. 2-6, 6-3, 3-6, 6-4, 6-3. This is why we love tennis. Unpredictable, relentless, and unforgettable. Hats off to both, but tonight, Alcaraz is the king of clay.